Now we will see number representation in binary. Different formats are used for binary representation for both positive and negative decimal numbers. They are sign bit magnitude method, second is ones complement method, and third is seconds complement method. We will see one by one. Sign bit magnitude means the number shows sign also and magnitude also. In sign bit magnitude representation, positive and negative decimal numbers are shown with a MSB bit representing either plus sign or minus sign. If MSB is 0, then it denotes plus sign. If MSB is 1, it denotes minus sign. And the remaining bits represent magnitude. So, in sign bit magnitude, MSB represents sign of that number. For example, suppose in 8-bit representation, if it is a sign bit magnitude number, MSB, here MSB is 0, means number is positive. And so remaining bits, that is the remaining 7 bits show magnitude of this number. So number is 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So this number is plus 9. While here 7 bit shows magnitude and MSB shows sign. So 1 is here, so number is negative, and remaining bits, that is 8 plus 1, that is 9. So plus 9 and minus 9 is represented with MSB with 0 and MSB 1. Now with this representation we will find that any n bit number can be used, or n bit binary representation can be used to decimal numbers, to represent decimal numbers in the range of minus 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1 to 2 raised to n minus 1 minus 1. Means what? Suppose in previous example we have seen, so this is 8-bit representation. So n is 8. So first number will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this will be the first positive number. Last positive number will be having MSB 0 and all bits will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So for 8-bit representation, 2 raised to 8 minus 1. 8 is the total bits. 8 minus 1 means 2 raised to 7 minus 1 plus again 2 raised to 7 minus 1. So we can represent numbers between plus 127 to minus 127. If we have not used MSB for sign, then we have 256 bits. So thus for 8-bit binary representation, we will get decimal representation of numbers from minus 127 to plus 127 using sign bit magnitude format. There is one more system to represent binary number, that is ones complement of a binary number. Here ones complement of a binary number is obtained by complementing all its bits. To complement means replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So write 1 where it is 0 and write 1, 0 where it is 1. For example, suppose this is a binary number 100101110. Now we have to convert it into ones complement number. Just replace 0 with 1 and 1 with 0. So 0 is replaced with 1, 1 is replaced with 0, 1 is replaced with 0, 0 is replaced with 1, 1 is replaced with 0, 0 is replaced with 1, 0 is replaced with 1, and 1 is replaced with 0. So this is called complement of a number, and it is shown like this. So A bar is complement of A. If you complement this number, you will get same number. So to complement a binary number means it is 1's complement. Here also we can express with sign and magnitude format. So in the 1's complement format, the positive numbers remain unchanged. That is, here example is shown. In 8-bit notation, this is 00001001 is a positive number. Okay, because MSB is 0. Now negative numbers are obtained by taking 1's complement of positive counterpart. See here, if we take complement of this number, we will get 1's complement. So 1 is complemented to 0, 0 to 1 likewise. So now here MSB is 1. So this is a negative number. So in sign magnitude form, just complement positive number, you will get 1 negative number. Now second complement of a binary number. In second's complement of a binary number is obtained by adding 1 to its first complement. So second's complement is nothing but 1's complement plus 1. 1 is added to the LSB. For example, suppose this is a binary number. Its 1's complement, just complement each bit 0 to 1, 1 to 0 likewise, and then add 1 to this number. So 1 plus 1, 1 0 0 with carry 1. This carry is added with this 0. So it is 1 0. Other bits will be remain as it is. So this is second's complement. So binary number, its 1 complement, just complement the numbers and then add 1 to 1's complement, you will get second's complement. In second's complement also we can express in sign and magnitude form. In the second's complement representation of binary numbers, again MSB represents sign. 0 is used for plus sign and 1 is used for minus sign. Remaining bits are used for representing magnitude. Here positive magnitudes are represented in the same way as in case of sign bit or 1's complement representation. And negative magnitudes are represented by second's complement of their positive counterpart. For example, here it is plus 9. So it is 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. Now this is 1 0 0 1 9 magnitude. 0 is plus number. And if you take second's complement of this number, which will be 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. How it is obtained? Just first complement this number and add 1 to this number. You will get this number. Now you will find that this number with 1 is here, MSB represents, it is a negative number. And now if you take again second's complement of this number, you will get same number, that is positive 9. So note that if second's complement of magnitude of plus 9 gives magnitude of minus 9, then reverse process will also be true. That is, second's complement of magnitude minus 9 will give magnitude of plus 9. So second's complement of plus 9 will give minus 9, and if you do second's complement of this number, you will get positive. So how will you do? See this, just take first complement, it is 1 1 1. So 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, add 1 to this, you will get 0 0 0 1 0 0 1. So in sign and magnitude form, take second's complement, you will get either positive or negative near. The second's complement format is popular because it is very easy to generate second's complement of a binary number, because just complement the number and then add 1, you will get second's complement of number. Also, arithmetic operations are relatively easier to perform when numbers are represented in the seconds complement form. So we will see afterwards how addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions are very easy with seconds complement format. So what we have studied here? We have studied different formats used to express binary number like ones complement, two's complement and sign and magnitude format.